that you give focus. Only one person can have focus at a time on stage. So when you're ready to add dialogue, add dialogue.
So, guys, Dean's call.
Keep working as you're talking.
Gotta get this done. Like, gotta get it done. This is the last card. we are $10 away from done.
10 minutes left.
Yeah.
10 minutes? 10 minutes? Guys, we can do this. With the power of love, we can do anything.
Freeze. Say pause. This is the spirit through the power of love. And we're gonna hear Tay. We're gonna hear Tay. Audience. We're gonna hear Tay start this. You're gonna Payne start this somehow because you just led with it. And the goal is you're finding the refrain. Find the refrain. Continue. Sorry, Tay. Listen, go back to cleaning. And Payne's gonna start this.
Got it all done. We just are almost done, and now it's time to finish the job. We're finishing the job. We're almost done.
Did anyone do the inside?
Oh, not the inside.
Oh, jeez.
Crap, people doing the inside, man.
It's time to finish the job. It's time to finish the job.
It's time to finish the job. It's time to finish the job.
Where's the trash can?
I can't over here. Here's the trash can. I need a spot. I got you a spot. Ah, thanks, man. Let's go. Ah. What else do we need?
Big finale.
Guys, the tires. The tires.
Wait, dialogue. Go back. This is it.
It's beautiful. Look at
Come together, guys. Look what you did.
Henry could look so good. Get up.
So beautiful. We can totally eat off of it, though.
I know, guys. I wouldn't.
One voice. One person talks. Focus.
I mean, yeah.
You know, who needs homecoming? We have each other.
Blackout.